Organizations wishing to assess and rate the environmental performance of their products can take different paths and have different options. The most comprehensive, arguably, is the use of life cycle assessment, looking at the cradle-to-grave environmental performance assessed over a broad range of relevant environmental impact categories. This establishes the total footprint of your product, and this information can be used to communicate through either eco-labels, which express the environmental preferability of a product, or through the use of environmental product declarations, which is the equivalent to an environmental nutrition label, declaring the embodied carbon, water, energy, and so on of a specific product. These certifications and communication methods have been starting to be used by rating tools such as Green Star in Australia and LEED, developed by the US Green Building Council, and also the Australian Infrastructure Sustainability Rating Tool. Green Star have been using eco-labels for their interior office rating tool for quite a while to award credits for carpets, furniture and interior lining. And Green Star and LEED are now moving towards using environmental product declarations as building blocks of constructing the whole building environmental performance and impact. The Infrastructure Sustainability Rating Tool has a slightly different approach, but aligned methodologically, by using a specific material calculator where you enter the project-specific bill of quantity, the concrete, the steel, the plastic for pipes and so on, in order to calculate the overall environmental footprint based on life cycle assessment. And the IS rating tool is also awarding credits for products which have been certified by eco-labels for environmental preferability. And the way the market is developing is that it requires a higher degree of transparency in terms of what actually are the cradle-to-grave impacts of a product and how do they compare to alternatives. So the market for environmental product declarations and also health product declarations, which we are seeing in the LEED rating tool, are evolving quite rapidly in Europe, in the US, and emerging around this time as well in Australia.